everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about chia seeds, and I have some specific suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with chia seeds. So if you like using chia seeds and you're looking for something a little bit different, hopefully this will help you out. Combine chia seeds with almond milk, apples, buckwheat, and cinnamon. How about chia seeds with cashews, coconut, and dates? Or chia seeds with cocoa, honey, silken tofu, and vanilla? Or chia seeds with ginger, pears, and almond milk? I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.